Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Pabbly Form Builder. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Pabbly Form Builder is an online form builder software. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Pabbly Form Builder and send the form responses to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the process, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Pabbly Form Builder as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new form submission. So this trigger will start working whenever a new form will be submitted. So here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard. So this here is my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard, and in order to reach here you just have to go to Pabbly Connect and in the all applications page you are going to find Pabbly Form Builder. So over here this is the form which I have created by using Pabbly Form Builder. So now I'm going to connect this form with Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that I need to go to integration. And here in integration I will go to Webhooks and now I'm going to click on add webhook. So I'm going to add the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect over here in this field so that a connection can be established. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL and over here I'm going to paste it. Once that is done, I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that now a webhook URL has been successfully added. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Pabbly Form Builder. So now I'm going to do a form submission so that I can show you that the data is sent successfully to Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that in Pabbly Connect as well, it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do a test submission, I'm going to fill in the details. Here let's say that the email is demo@pabblytudes.com. This here's the number. The name is demo. And the last name is user. So I filled in the details and now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see it says your message submitted successfully. That means the form submission has been made and the response of this form submission would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and yes, over here you can see that I have received the response. Here you can see the details, you can see the ticket ID, submission date. Over here you can see the form ID as well and here you can see the response details. This here is the phone number, this here is the last name, first name and the email. That means the form submission which was made, so the response is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So that means we have successfully set up webhook inside Pabbly Form Builder. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the form response will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. That means as I've got the details over here in the response, so now I can send these details to any other application as well. So we have successfully set up the webhook inside Pabbly Form Builder, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.